What's up YouTube? Inferno here, back with another video. I'm sorry guys, I know it's been a really long time since I did a video. I'm really wanting to apologize to you guys. I had some stuff going on personally, but anyways, so me and the girlfriend went to Walmart and she bought me 3 booster packs. We got 2 Clash of Rebellions and 1 Invasion Vengeance. So decided might as well open these up.
No,
so
I shipped the tank. It's full.
Sorry about the background.
I don't know, come check it out.
We got a Performal Camo Lump, an Ignite Paladin, an Ignite Gallant, a Raptor's Gust. For a rare, we have an Ignite Champion. We have a Secret Blast, an Ignite Margrave, an Extinction on Schedule, an Oprah the Melodious Diva. Sorry guys, I'm like, ooh, a Keeper of the Shrine, needed that. Return of the Red Eyes, Performable Salute Tiger, Performable Camo Lump, an Arrow Mage Bergamot. Ooh, a Red Eyes Fusion. That's a new one. I haven't seen that one in a while. Or haven't seen it in person actually. A Trick Box, DD Pandora, and the Ignite Margrave. And now we're on our Invasion of Vengeance pack. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that one. Fraud Freeze, a Cypher Twin Raptor, a Chimeric Critter Hydron Hawk, interesting, Heavy Samurai Ninja Sarutobi, a Terror Genesis, alright, so let's go over quick pulls, the rares. Super rares. Alright, so like I was saying before, I am really sorry that I haven't been doing videos in a while. My phone's been freaking out. I hope this one actually gets uploaded and stuff, because I really miss doing videos for you guys. So probably around Christmas to maybe even it's hard to say, from Christmas maybe in like February, maybe March, we'll actually switch it up and we'll probably do something else. I'm not gonna tell you guys because it's gonna be like, you know, not 100%, but yeah, it's gonna be a surprise, more or less. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. You guys can even ask for like different different types of videos. You can even ask for like challenges and stuff, and I'll talk it over with the others and see where that goes. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. I hope your guys' Thanksgiving was awesome as well. As always, have a wonderful time.